Hey there, friends! Today we're taking a fun look at the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB 50500. Check out that stylish gray finish. This isn't just any blender, it's the NB 50500 model, with SKU 6553390. And it's already earned a fantastic 4.6 out of 5 stars from 95 happy reviewers. But let's see if it can really keep up in my kitchen. And of course, is it actually worth spending $116.99? Stick around for the next 10 minutes and we'll find out together. So grab a seat and let's jump in. This should be a lot of fun. Alright, let's kick things off by chatting about what really matters, power. Now, when you picture a blender, you might think of those big, clunky machines that roar like a jet engine and hog all your counter space. But honestly, the NutriBullet is here to flip that idea on its head. This little guy may look unassuming, but don't be fooled. It's got a motor that's seriously impressive. I mean, it's almost like having a sports car engine in your kitchen. The NutriBullet's motor is built for high performance, so whatever you toss in, it's ready to take on the challenge. And just because it's compact doesn't mean it's not mighty. It fits easily in any kitchen, big or small, but it's strong enough to handle even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're blending up fruits, veggies, or even nuts, the NutriBullet is up for it. We're talking about turning fruits into liquid, smashing through veggies, and crushing ice like it's nothing. Imagine making a smoothie with frozen berries and ice cubes. The NutriBullet blends it all into a creamy, delicious drink in just seconds. Want a smoothie that's super smooth and silky? You've got it. No more weird chunks or uneven bits, just pure, velvety goodness every single time. And it's not just for smoothies. You can whip up soups, sauces, and even nut butters with this handy machine. Craving some fresh salsa? No problem at all. Just toss in some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and in a few seconds, you've got a homemade salsa that's perfect for any get-together. And honestly, one of my favorite things, it's just so easy to use. Seriously, you don't need to be a kitchen whiz or read a thick manual. The NutriBullet is made for everyone. Just plug it in and you're good to go. There aren't any confusing settings or tricky buttons. The interface is super simple. Just pop the cup onto the base, give it a twist, and you're blending. That's it. Just add your ingredients, twist the cup, and boom, you've got something delicious in seconds. Whether you're always on the go, into fitness, or just love making fresh food at home, the NutriBullet is a fantastic kitchen buddy. It's powerful, efficient, and honestly, a breeze to use. So why settle for less when you can have something this good? The NutriBullet really is a powerhouse in disguise. Okay, let's talk about something we can all relate to, the noise factor. This blender? It's definitely on the louder side. We're talking might wake up your neighbors loud, and your pets might not be huge fans either. Honestly, when it's running, it kind of sounds like a mini jet engine taking off right in your kitchen. I'm usually not too bothered by a bit of noise, but this one really takes it up a notch. So, if you're sensitive to sound, you might want to grab some earplugs before you hit that start button, just to be safe. It's a bit of a bummer, because honestly, this blender does just about everything else really well. For me, the noise is a little tough to ignore, but if you don't mind it, you'll probably love everything else about it. Okay, let's take a break from all that talk about noise and get into something way more fun. Ready for some good news? This blender is seriously convenient, and I think you're going to love it. First off, can we talk about the size? It's so compact. Whether you have a huge kitchen or just a tiny bit of counter space, this blender fits right in. It's sleek, it's stylish, and best of all, it doesn't hog your whole countertop like some of those giant blenders out there. You get all the power without the bulk. And when you're done, just pop it in a cupboard or cabinet. It's so easy to store, which means more space for everything else you love in your kitchen. You can even take it with you. Headed to work, the gym, or maybe a weekend trip? This blender is totally travel-friendly. Seriously, it's made for people on the go. If you're always running around but still want your healthy smoothies, this little guy's got your back. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits right into your bag. No fuss, no hassle, just grab and go. Whip up your favorite smoothie, fruits, veggies, protein shakes, you name it. The motor is powerful enough to handle it all and gives you a super smooth blend every time. Just screw on the lid, and you're all set. The lid seals tight, so you don't have to worry about spills, even if you're on the move. Perfect for those mornings when you're running out the door. You can have a fresh, healthy smoothie in minutes and start your day feeling great. And hey, it's not just for mornings. Enjoy your smoothie at work, share it with a friend, or treat yourself after a workout. With this compact and convenient blender, you've got options for every part of your day. Alright, let's chat about something fun, speed. This blender isn't just a one-trick pony with a single speed, no way. You actually get a bunch of different speeds so you can blend just the way you like. Want to gently pulse for a chunky salsa? Or maybe go all out for a super creamy soup? This blender's got your back. I honestly love how flexible it is. And hey, you're not stuck just making smoothies or shakes. You can totally grind up coffee beans, whip up some nut butter, or even make a fresh batch of homemade hummus. Seriously, there's so much you can do. Okay, let's be real. After whipping up something delicious, who actually wants to deal with the mess? The good news? With this blender, cleaning up is honestly a piece of cake. All the parts are dishwasher safe, so you can just toss them in with your other dishes and let the dishwasher handle it for you. Or if you're like me and sometimes prefer to wash things by hand, you'll love how easily the blades pop out for a quick clean. No more struggling to scrub around those sharp edges. Seriously, it's a breeze. From start to finish, this blender just makes life easier. Alright, let's wrap things up. So, what's the deal with the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB 50500? Well, if you're looking for a blender that's both compact and powerful, this little guy might just be your new kitchen buddy. Whether you're whipping up protein shakes after a workout or need something quick and healthy for the family, it's got your back. Seriously, it's a powerhouse for its size. Toss in nuts, seeds, frozen fruit, or leafy greens, no problem. The motor is strong enough to blend everything into a super smooth consistency. Smoothies, soups, sauces, even baby food, this blender can do it all. Plus, it's a breeze to use and clean. The sleek compact design means it won't hog your counter space, and it's light enough to tuck away in a cabinet when you're done. And cleanup? Super easy. The parts pop off and go right in the dishwasher. More time for you, less time scrubbing. Now I've got to be honest, it's not exactly quiet. In fact, it's pretty loud. If you're blending early in the morning or late at night, just keep in mind it might wake up the whole house. But honestly, for most people, the awesome performance makes up for the noise. If you can live with a little extra noise, this blender is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's super versatile and gets the job done fast. Whether you're making a post-gym smoothie, a quick breakfast, or trying out new recipes, the NutriBullet NB 50500 is ready to help. And for $116.99, with the model number NB 50500 and SKU 6553390, plus a glowing 4.6 out of 5 stars from happy customers, it's definitely worth a look. The price is fair for what you get, and those high ratings really say a lot about how much people love it. Honestly, I'm tempted to go make myself a smoothie right now. The NutriBullet NB 50500 makes it so easy to whip up something tasty and healthy. Whether you're into classic strawberry banana or want to try a green detox blend, this blender can handle it all. And hey, maybe grab some earplugs just in case. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, a little noise is a small trade-off for all the convenience and power you get with the NutriBullet NB 50500. Happy blending, everyone!